Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, November 21. Pension funds investment limits will be raised to allow for putting funds into venture capital. Venture capital is financing that investors provide to startup companies and small businesses that are believed to have long-term growth potential. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says allowing pension funds to be invested in venture capital will increase and unleash innovation and entrepreneurial activity in Jamaica.
When we move the limit from 0 to 5%, based on the $550 billion in pension funds, over $25 billion of capital will be available for investing in venture capital. That is a game changer, and it's a game changer for innovation, for opportunity, and for growth.
Dr. Clark made the announcement on Tuesday at the Compete Caribbean Partnership Facility (CCPF) Dialogue on Unleashing Innovation in Jamaica. CCPF is a partnership involving the Caribbean Development Bank, Canada, Inter-American Development Bank, and the UK Department for International Development. Meanwhile, the Finance Minister has also announced plans to launch a business dialogue series. The series is aimed at empowering entrepreneurs through the triumph and failure stories of other business persons. It will be executed with the support of the Inter-American Development Bank.
We're going to normalize failure in business and let people understand it's a natural part of the process, and we will not get anywhere with innovation unless we see failure as a part of success.
In other news, 19 farmers from the New Forest Duff House Agro Park are now certified to export various crops to international markets. The certification comes from the Good Agricultural Practices Program Global GAP, an internationally recognized set of farm standards which certify that products have met safety and quality requirements. At Friday's training and certification ceremony, Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw lauded the farmers on their accomplishment. His speech was delivered by the ministry's Chief Technical Director, Courtney Cole.
You have done well. Your training will undoubtedly redound to increased earnings as you produce for the local market, our neighbors in CARICOM, and the wider international markets.
Over 700 ultrasound examinations have been conducted at the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital since the August installation of an $8.2 million state-of-the-art ultrasound machine. The diagnostic equipment was donated as part of the Government of Japan's grant assistance for Grassroots Human Security Project. At the November 16 official handover ceremony, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said the machine would boost the hospital's diagnostic capabilities.
This is not an insignificant event from our perspective. This is not an insignificant or just a small incremental addition to our offering. This is substantial.
A 78% case clearance rate has been recorded in the Supreme Court across all divisions for the April to July Easter term this year. This is a 30% increase when compared to the same period in 2017. The High Court Civil and Matrimonial Divisions accounted for the largest number of new cases, with a total of 2,937. Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck made the disclosure in his address to the House of Representatives on Tuesday.
From this data, it is to be noted that the Home Circuit Court was the most improved division, with an increase of roughly 57 percentage points when compared to the previous term. The overall statistics on the case clearance rate gives profound insights into potential case flow and backlog across the divisions of the Supreme Court.
Case clearance rate is the ratio of new cases filed in relation to those disposed of. And finally, a Positive Father project has been launched to give Jamaican men support to perform their role as fathers. The initiative is a partnership between the Gender Ministry and UNESCO.
Men must not only be seen as providers or disciplinarians in the family, they also have a critical role as nurturers. We want to boost the participation of fathers in the household. We don't have to just only think of housewives. We can think of house husbands. And that is why we are also championing the paternity leave policy through the Bureau of Gender Affairs.
The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport was speaking during Tuesday's sitting of Parliament. She informed the lower house that several male-centered parenting seminars were being conducted through the men's desk at the Bureau of Gender Affairs. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.